Why crocuses bloom in the snow. Crocuses are adapted to bloom early in the spring, often before the snow has completely melted. They have several adaptations that allow them to survive and even thrive in the cold conditions. Crocuses are hardy plants that can withstand freezing temperatures. They have a natural antifreeze in their cells that prevents ice crystals from forming and damaging their tissues. Crocuses are one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, and they take advantage of the increased sunlight and warmer temperatures, even if it's still cold. And crocuses have a relatively short growth cycle, which allows them to complete their life cycle before the harsh summer heat arrives. Many crocuses can bloom early in the spring. Some are more likely to push through the snow than others. Crocuses are easy to plant. Plant the corms early in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost, 3 to 4 inches deep or 3 to 4 inches apart, and they prefer a well-drained soil. Plant crocuses in a location that receives full sun to partial shade, and water them after planting and again in the spring if the weather is dry. I hope this helped you out a little bit, maybe said some things you didn't know. And if so, could you please subscribe to my channel, Gardening in Your Yard, and like this video? I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and goodbye, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.